Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Tuesday morning haul for you today. I found some cute stuff and I thought I'd share. So let's go ahead and jump in. So I'll start with this We Are Memory Keepers large tool kit. I got this for $20, $19.99, and I mainly bought it for the cutter, but the other tools were nice too. So I'm not sure if this is a good one, but I really felt like I needed a new one, so I went ahead and picked this one up. I found some more of these Jolie's Boutique journaling cards. So I'm going to open these real quick. So here is the number for this one. So this one comes with this really cute one that says hello. I don't know how feasible it is as an actual journaling card, since it's going to be kind of hard to write on such a bumpy surface, but it's really pretty. I love it. It says hello beautiful. And then I love this acetate one. That is just so pretty to me. And then this one says, oh so lovely. This little journaling card that pulls out. And then it has love on the bottom with all of these really cool flowers elements to it. So there's that one. And then there is the number for this one. And so this one, how cute is that? It's the cactus comes out. I didn't even realize that. That's really cute. I love the pearl accents. And then the little pocket is the vase for the potter, the plant potter. And then this one, really cute. And that one says stay sharp. That's so cute. I just love these. And here's the last one. I'll show you the number. So here's the last one. It's a shaker. It says sweet. I can't read. Maybe sweet vibes. I think that's what it's supposed to say. Or sweet times. That's what it says. So there's that one, and then again another acetate one. Really cool. This one says hello there. It's super thick. And then all the memories. I like this one. I actually have one of my planner themes that I have planned already is like a gold and white theme. So I might try to incorporate these in that one. So really like those. And then I found another pocket type thing. This says 12 pockets. So here's the SKU for this one. And this is an Amy Tangerine. It says 15 pieces, cards and envelopes. So this one's a rainbow one. The little teal card in there. Oh, that one's really cute. I like how they did that. This little envelope. And then this little like notepad thing. I think that's really cute. And then this one has the confetti in it. And then it's an envelope with a little journaling card in there. And this one is like an acetate envelope. Or vellum. This is probably more like vellum. The little card. And I like that little bookshop with the little card on there. I think this is really cute. And then the little donut acetate envelope. Yeah. Cute, cute, cute. And then I bought another, I bought the Comfort and Joy for Mind's Eye. I basically bought the whole entire collection from Tuesday Morning, and I found the journaling cards, and I was really wishing that I had another set of the journaling cards. So I was super excited to find these. So I went ahead and purchased those. I'll put that with my Christmas stuff. Last week I showed that, I think it was last week or the week before, I can't remember. I showed that I bought the Spring Market 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit, but I really loved the paper so much that I went ahead and just bought the 6 by 6 paper pad. I just think that's so cute. Look at that one. And it's double-sided, so... And all of those. Sometimes the size fits better in my Happy Planner. So, yeah. I just went ahead and bought it. Since it was there, it was $3. And I just really love this paper. Okay, so they had some more Bo Bunny things. Last time I had told you that I had bought the I have the little envelope tag things that I got last time, and I said if I find the paper that matches this, I'm gonna buy it. And so I found it. Let me open it real quick. So I'll just do a quick flip through of it. I think I'm going to do, when I do a planner layout, I'm going to use kind of the hummingbird theme, or maybe the dragonflies too. That might be a cool theme. So when I do paper pads, that's kind of what I look for, is like, is there a piece in here that's going to inspire me to create some kind of design or layout on a journal or layout on a planner? And I really like the dragonflies. I've never done dragonflies in my journal before, so I think that would be a really cool planner layout. This is a really pretty piece of paper, and it has the dragonflies on it. And so then it just repeats itself. Yeah, so it's really pretty paper. And then with that came this piece with the bird. That was really pretty. I like that they did like a silver accent. And then I also picked up the stickers that went along with it. So got some really nice label stickers that I can use in my planner. So I'm excited. I'm excited to do a layout with that stuff. All right, and then with the Bo Bunny in mind, I picked up this one as well. This planner layout. This sticker sheet is so pretty. I love the flowers. It says Friendship Boulevard. It kind of has like a vintagey kind of farmhouse feel to me. And then I also picked up the chipboard stickers that go with it. One, a simple act of kindness and can change the course of a lifetime. I love this sticker. I think that's so pretty with the gold foil. And then all the flowers. So I didn't find the paper that go in with it, but I think I could definitely still work with it with these two pieces. And the other last Bow Bunny thing that I got was this layered chipboard set. I did not find the paper that goes with this, but I looked online and I actually don't really like the paper pad. So I think I'm just going to use some of my own paper to try to, I have some yellow paper, and I'm sure I can even use black. I just thought this was really pretty. I love the yellow and that royal blue color together. I think that's really super pretty. And then I bought another sticker book because, you know, I need more sticker books. I don't need more sticker books, but I really liked this one. I love that bee sticker. It, you know, goes along with kind of this thing on the little bike. I like how they kind of, the pages kind of look like they're almost like a planner spread. Like you can use it. I love the strawberries too. I'm a sucker for strawberries. So yeah, really cute paper. I love that one. I like this one a lot. Really cute label stickers, quote stickers. I love that. I love the carrots and the little rain boots. And gold foil. Yeah, I think this is really, really cute. Less Mondays, more summer. That's cute. Yeah, I feel like I could get at least 2 or 3 planner layouts with just this sticker book. So I was happy for that. And then the last thing I got was this K & Company book. So I bought this book. My son is supposed to go to a trip to Alaska, but he just found out that he has to be 21 to rent a hotel in Alaska, and he's not going to be 21. He was actually going to turn 21 on the trip. He was leaving on the 12th, and then he's going to turn 21 on the 15th. So he's not going to be 21, so he can't go. So he is going to book another train or another trip, but I didn't know that after I bought this, but it was only $4. And he's going to travel, so I don't really think it was a waste of money, but I specifically bought it for a couple pieces of paper that are in here. First of all, I love that some of them are double-sided. And then I loved this paper. It's kind of acetate map. It says World Traveler on it. And I didn't realize there was 2 of them, so that's cool. Happy about that. And I really loved this sticker book. The sticker, is this a sticker? It feels like a sticker. Huh. It feels like a sticker, but it's not. It must not be a sticker. But yeah, I really liked this. Look, Louisiana, strawberries. I was born in Louisiana. Maybe that's why I like strawberries. Oh, there's California. Artichokes. Oh, I guess it's in alphabetical order. Didn't realize that. Anyway. Okay, and then this is another reason I bought it. Look at this. There's 2 of these. There's just one of these. There's just one of these. Can't tell. It's so thick. Look how cool that is. I don't know how I'm going to use that, but I just think that is really cool. And then there's a boat. Compasses. And then this is the other reason I bought it. I mean, look at that. That is so cool. Yeah, I'm really happy with this book. And it was only $4. So, like, there's so many pages in here that I would have, like, I would spend $1. Like, I would have absolutely paid $1 just for this one page and for this acetate page and for this vellum. So I got my money worth because as far as I'm concerned, it was worth $3. And that is all. That's all I got for this Tuesday morning haul. And thank you guys for watching. And if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.